With the increasing popularity of internet marketing, there are more than a few people who are looking for leads to turn into customers. Whether you are a small business owner trying to establish a presence online or someone who wants to generate leads on the side of a larger company, there are a few simple ways to get started without a website. Social networking sites are a great place to start because they are always filled with people, and websites like Twitter and Facebook allow you to create profiles that are visible to everyone in your network. This allows you to connect with people in a more personal way that is easier to reach than a traditional website. Also, these sites often have a large number of user-friendly tools that allow you to post messages, share images, etc. Email lists can also be great for building your network of potential customers. If you are trying to build a list of names that you can then market to using an opt-in list, you can make an email message that is very simple and easy to read that asks the recipient to sign up now by following the link. Once they have signed up, you can use the follow-up method to send them more information that they will want to keep on their opt-in list. You can also add a squeeze page at the end of each email to collect their information. Both of these methods are free, and it can be easy to generate leads with a social network or opt-in list in order to build your list and lead generation without a website. However, there are also other places where you can get leads for a cheap cost that will be worth it in the long run. The internet itself is full of websites that are set up to help you sell your products and services to a variety of people who want to find out about your products. There are also several directories that you can join and send a web address to in order to receive marketing materials and sales offers. All of these sources are free and can be a great way to create a lead generation without a website. Another thing that is becoming increasingly popular as lead generation is pay-per-click advertising. This involves putting ads on websites, blogs, and even social networks that have a lot of traffic in order to get your ad on the first page of the search engine results. This is a great way to generate leads without a website. When you do decide to create a site to use as part of your lead generation efforts, make sure that it is professional and easy to read. It should also provide a number of useful and relevant information that will benefit the reader in some way. You should also think about how much advertising space you are willing to place on your website. You will need to decide if you are willing to get as many ads as possible on your website, and if you are not willing to take that risk, you may end up wasting your time and money. Once you are certain that your website is professional, you will need to think about whether you are going to create an opt-in form for your customers or a page where they can simply enter their name and email address so you can send them valuable information about your product or service. If you are building an opt-in page, you will likely need to offer something in exchange for their information, such as a free report or ebook that you have created on a subject that they are interested in. When you are building a website, you should consider using a squeeze page to send visitors to. If you build this page on a blog, for example, you can use the blog's URL as the lead capture link. In order to build a lead generation without a website, you should offer information and links that will lead to your website or opt-in form. Building a lead generation without a website will not require any technical knowledge. You will be able to build a list of people who will be interested in your product or service with very little effort. You will be able to use your website as a place for leads that will be very valuable to you and your business.